Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain Bank of America credit card cash advances. A cash advance allows you to borrow money directly from your credit card's available balance, essentially taking out a short-term loan. Unlike a debit card withdrawal, you are not accessing your own funds. It is crucial to understand that this convenience comes with a distinct set of considerations and potentially high costs. Bank of America cash advances come with substantial fees. You will typically pay a transaction fee of 3% for direct deposits or convenience checks, or 5% for ATM withdrawals. This fee is usually a minimum of $10, whichever amount is greater. Crucially, interest starts accruing immediately from the transaction date, with no grace period, unlike regular purchases. The annual percentage rate for cash advances is also generally higher than your standard purchase APRA. The annual percentage rate for Bank of America cash advances can be quite high, typically ranging from 23.24% to 28.24%, and these rates are variable. This is often significantly higher than the APRA for standard purchases. Furthermore, utilizing a large portion of your available credit for cash advances can negatively impact your credit score, especially if not paid off quickly. Paying it back as soon as possible is vital to mitigate these effects. Before resorting to a credit card cash advance, explore other financial options. Personal loans from banks or credit unions often have much lower interest rates. Some cash advance apps can provide smaller amounts with fewer fees. You might also consider borrowing from trusted friends or family, which could be a zero-cost solution. A Bank of America cash advance should truly be considered a last resort for only the most urgent financial emergencies, given its high cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.